What liquids can I pack in my checked baggage?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about what liquids you can pack in your checked baggage. When you're preparing for a trip, knowing what you can and cannot pack in your checked luggage can save you time and prevent any potential hiccups at the airport. Let's dive right in.
What is considered a liquid?
Firstly, it's important to understand what is actually considered a liquid by the Transportation Security Administration, TSA. The list may surprise you. It includes not only things like water, drinks, and toiletries, but also semi-solid foods, creams, lotions, and even things like snow globes. If it's spreadable, sprayable, pourable, or squeezable, it's likely considered a liquid.
Are there any restrictions for liquids in checked baggage?
When it comes to packing liquids in your checked baggage, the rules are much more lenient compared to carry-on luggage. In fact, most liquids are allowed in checked baggage without any size restrictions. This means you can pack full-size bottles of shampoo, drinks, and other liquids. However, there are some exceptions. High alcohol content liquids, more than 70% alcohol by volume, such as grain alcohol and certain types of hand sanitizers, have restrictions due to their flammability. Also, perishable items like certain types of food and drink should be properly packaged to prevent spoilage.
How should I pack liquids in my checked baggage?
Regardless of what liquids you're packing, it's important to pack them properly to prevent leaks. Here are a few tips. 1. Secure the lids. Make sure all your containers are sealed tightly. You can also use tape for an extra layer of protection. 2. Use plastic bags. Place your containers in sealable plastic bags. That way, if a container does leak, it won't get onto your clothes or other items. 3. Add padding. Wrap your containers in clothes or use bubble wrap to provide extra protection against the rough and tumble handling that often occurs with checked luggage. There you have it. Now you're a master of packing liquids in checked luggage. Remember that while most liquids are allowed in checked baggage, there are still a few exceptions, and it's always best to check with the specific airline or security regulations of the country you're traveling to. Safe travels, and we hope this video has been helpful.